Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MRNA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from at and after today's price movement. Some updates need to be done, but also a bit of confirmation, and I'll explain that here in just a second. But the first thing I'm going to do is some house cleaning, get rid of that line right there. That level, sure, it pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So $30 going into the day was an area of resistance, but now that the price is up above it, that's what I would consider the ideal level of support going forward. You say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? Definitely if the price can stay above 30. With that being said, it's not like if the price falls below 30, that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, as I've talked about in the past, which is the 50-period moving average. So keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to continue to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the overall move. That right there is how I'm defining, quote unquote, the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. Having us visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 30 would be great, but from the grand scheme of things, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance, earlier on in the video, I used the word confirmation, and the big point of confirmation comes via this red line here that I've talked about in the past at $32. You can see that $32 was definitely the very stubborn area where whenever the price got right up around that area, price, I mean, it got above it a couple times, but it never lasted very long, and the price, would drop right back below it. So $32 confirmed as the area of resistance going forward, but we'll see if the price can break above it on Thursday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.